Yes, students, in previous lectures we have gone through the numericals which is based on the resistance and how we have to solve them, that we have seen. जो न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं इनको करने का तरीका हमने देखा. अब ये न्यूमेरिकल थोड़ा सा और डिफरेंट टाइप का है. इस न्यूमेरिकल में the values of current I flowing in a given resistor for the corresponding value of potential difference V across the resistor are given below. इसमें एक टेबल दी हुई है हमको. 0.51 पे 1.6 वोल्ट है, 0.5 पे 1.6 वोल्ट. इसमें बेसिकली हमको क्या निकालना है? गिवन रेजिस्टर फॉर द करस्पॉन्डिंग वैल्यू ऑफ आर गिवन बिलो. वी हैव टू डिटरमाइन द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस. इसमें रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू निकालना है. तो रेजिस्टेंस की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में ये आना चाहिए कि ओम्स लॉ ध्यान में आना चाहिए. वी शुड नो द ओम्स लॉ. तो वी नो दैट V इज इक्वल्स टू I इंटू R. ओके, नाउ इफ यू वांट टू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ R, व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? R इज इक्वल्स टू V अपॉन I. ओके, नाउ V और I हमको यहाँ मिल जाएगा. और अब हम देखते हैं कि V की वैल्यू 0.5. मैंने पहले एक ग्राफिकल रिप्रेजेंटेशन थोड़ा सा बना रखा है ना. आई हैव मेड इट. नाउ हियर इट इज नियरली 1.6 एम्पियर. हियर at 1 it is 3.4. somewhere here we can have this is 3.4. at 2 ampere it is going to be 6.7, which means it may be nearly here. यहाँ पे होगा 3 एम्पियर पे हम देखें तो 10.2 नियरली यहाँ पे हो सकता है. और 4 पे देखें तो हम 13.2 यहाँ आसपास यहाँ होगा. नियरली स्ट्रेट लाइन हमको दिख रही है यहाँ से. इफ इट ज्वाइन करते हैं तो करीबन स्ट्रेट लाइन हमारे को दिख रही है. हाँ, अब यहाँ देखिए हम इसका नाम A दे दिया. आई हैव गिवन द नेम A. इसका नाम B दे दिया. आई हैव गिवन द नेम B. और हमको क्या निकालना है? यदि हम इसको इस टाइप से देखें तो यहाँ पे इस डायरेक्शन में तो हमको V मिल रहा है और इस डायरेक्शन में हमको I मिल रहा है. और यहाँ हमको V अपॉन I चाहिए. तो V अपॉन I चाहिए तो V की जो वैल्यू है 13.2 हाईएस्ट वैल्यू और मिनिमम वैल्यू दिस. इन दोनों का डिफरेंस ले लेंगे तो हमको क्या मिल जाएगा? ये जो 1.6 है और ये 13.2 है तो V की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. What we have to do? We have to take the difference of these two values, जिसको मैंने सर्कल किया. I will encircle these two values. 13.2 minus 1.6 divided by. करंट में हम देखें तो again here it is we are having a 0.5. This is 0.5 ampere and nearly it is 4 ampere. So again we can have 4 minus 0.5 ampere. Okay, so here what we are getting 13.2 minus 1.6, it is going to be minus 6 to 11.6 divided by 3.5, 35, 3.5. Now we can have 116 upon 35. Now we can calculate the value of this resistance easily. 105 and this 11 110 3.3 nearly 3.3. We can go ahead. If 35 to 105 110 again 3.3. We can take this 3.310. So finally we have got the answer. Resistance, the value of resistance which is coming to us, that is 3.31. So the question which is related with graphical representation, ये Ohm's law based question, it is based on the Ohm's law and we can do it very easily. If we know the Ohm's law, how we have to plot the graph, because we have gone through such graphical representation between the relationship, or we can say the relationship between V and I, or I and V. Okay, तो ये क्वेश्चन को करने का तरीका ये था. Now we will go with the next one. When a 12-volt battery is connected across unknown resistor, there is a current of 2.5 milliampere in the circuit. Find the value of the resistance of the resistor. अब यहाँ पे we have to determine R, unknown resistance, 12-volt battery is connected across it, is a current of 2 ampere. ये हमको लिख लेने का है पहले, 2.5 milliampere. Now milliampere है that we have to convert into ampere, so it is going to be 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere. First जो भी गिवन है न्यूमेरिकल करने में यही सबसे बड़ी बात. न्यूमेरिकल करने का सबसे मेन तरीका ये है. When you are going for the numerical, what you have to do first, whatever written, whatever given to you, you must write down. उसको लिख लें तो और क्वेश्चन को पढ़ लें. अब यहाँ पे क्लियर हो गया है कि रेजिस्टेंस हमको डिटरमाइन करना है. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द रेजिस्टेंस ऑफ द रेजिस्टर. V इज गिवन टू अस. नाउ क्लियर है कि अब कौन सा रूल लगेगा या कौन सा लॉ लगेगा या कौन सा फार्मूला लगेगा. व्हाटएवर व्हाट फार्मूला वी हैव टू अप्लाई, how we have to go. Now clearly we know that again Ohm's law, V is equals to I into R. R is unknown. Again we can write R is equals to V upon I. The value of V is given to us. Just we have to substitute these values. So here what we are having, 2.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 3 ampere. So it is 12 upon 2.5. It is going to be 10 raised to the power 3. Again we are having one addition of this power. So 12 upon 25 into 10 raised to the power 4. और कैलकुलेशन what do you have to do, लास्ट में जाके करें आप. यहाँ पे क्लियर हो रहा है 25 0 point and 8 times into 10 raised to the power 4 ohm. So it is the final answer which we can write are multiplied by 0.48 into 10 raised to the power 4, 4800 ohm. This is the answer which we are getting. So simple question था, ये भी simple question था, देखने में हमको बड़ा लग रहा है. If you see the question, you will find what is this. But when you will go through the question and solve it, it will become very easy for you. So numerical से घबराना नहीं, इसको करने का तरीका ये simple. Don't bother about the numericals. Just go through them and do it. Now here we are having next question. A battery of 9 volt is connected in series with resistors of 0.2 ohm, 0.3 ohm, 0.4 ohm, 0.5 ohm and 12 ohm respectively. How much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistor? Now, अब इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने के बाद, after reading this question, we can understand it is related with the resistors connected in series. Means जो कनेक्शन है वो सीरीज इन रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज पे बेस्ड है. तो सबसे पहला काम हम करेंगे, व्हाट वी विल डू फर्स्ट, वी विल टेक दिस 0.2 ohm resistance. We are going to have another that is 0.3 ohm. Third one is 0.4 ohm and 0.5 ohm. And I am connecting it here. That is 12 ohm. All the resistances are connected in series. यही पूछा है उसने. Now he has given us. Now a battery of 9 volt is connected. ये simple आपको सबसे पहले circuit बनाना. You have to make the circuit like this. Okay. So 9 volt is here, plus minus. Battery को जब भी हम show करेंगे. Respectively, how much current would flow through the 12 ohm resistors? Now the current will flow like this. Current flow ऐसे होगा, positive to negative, conventional direction is. अब यहाँ पे, if you want to know the current in the circuit, first we must know the equivalent resistance. Equivalent resistance हमको पता होना चाहिए. तो R equivalent जो है that will be the sum of all this plus this plus this plus this. Series के लिए R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus Rn so on. If n number of resistances are so 0.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.4 plus 0.5 plus 12. 0.3 0.5 0.5 12 13.4 ohm ये resistance आ गया. अब we have to determine the current. V is given to us. Again we have to apply the Ohm's law. It is based on the Ohm's law. V is equal to I into R, and we have to determine I. So we'll go with I is equals to V upon R. Now V is given to us 9. R that we have calculated 13.4. So the answer go with this 90 upon 134. We can easily solve this 45 2 and this 27. It is 0.67 ampere near about approximately. ठीक है. So what we have got? We have got the value of current I is equals to 0.67 ampere. Simple question है. इतनी वैल्यूज देने के बाद में हमें डर नहीं लगना चाहिए. We can how to do it like this. Okay. Next question. How many 160 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 ampere on 220 volt line? अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन को पढ़ें. If we read the question, we will come to understand it is related with parallel combination. पहली बात तो ये आ गई कि इसमें parallel कनेक्शन की बात हो रही है. दूसरा रेजिस्टेंस की बात हो रही है. नंबर ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस की बात हो रही है. So you can write number of resistance, say n, which is equal to question mark. That we have to determine. Now current is given to us. I is equals to 5 ampere. V is also given to us 220 volt. R is also given to us 176 ohm. Now if there is a parallel combination, if we are having this say Rn. So if we go with 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus 1 upon R plus up to n resistance, n number of resistance. So if we calculate it, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equivalent resistances are there. सबकी वैल्यू इक्विवेलेंट है. इनका एडिशन हो जाएगा n upon R which is equals to 1 upon Rn. ये हमारे लिए यहाँ फार्मूला जनरेट हो गया सिंपल. Now Rn is this 176 ohm, 176 ohms. So we say 1 upon Rn, which is equal to n upon 176. Now Rn is equals to 1 n upon this. We have to determine how many resistors are connected in parallel. Now if we go through this, V equal to I into R, and if we are having the combination, what will happen? V is equal to I into R. Okay. Five upon 220. Sorry, R is 220 upon 5. So we can say we must determine this value, and that we can calculate with this. So it is n plus 1 plus 1, that we can say Rn. So here it is 220 upon 5, which is equal to Rn. So Rn will be equals to 44 ohm. And if we substitute the Rn here, So it is 1 upon 44. The value of each resistance is given. N upon 176. So here I can do this. N 176 upon 44, which is going to be equal to N. Now 44 fours are, so answer is N equals to 4. 4 number of resistances when we connect in parallel will be having such values. How many 160 ohm resistors are required to carry 5 ampere on a 220 voltage? So 76 ohm resistors when connected like this, I can make it here 1, 2, 3 and this 4. They will be connected like this. So the current will be flowing through across this will be 5 ampere. So this way we can calculate, we can go with the numericals, and which is very important from the point of view of physics. If you want to face any competitive exam, say NTSC, say in future IIT JEE or NEET, you need to know how to solve the numericals in physics. Okay.